excitement of the side events, talking to fellow enthusiasts here, gaining knowledge, what they have to say in between breaks here, where you can ask your own questions in a little bit of a more informal manner. Well, that's really cool.
I think key takeaway really is that it covered everything quite well. So we started from the kind of classic things, and there's gradual progression towards the digital currencies in the end, and covering this almost like 180 view of the, I won't gonna say 360, I'm gonna say 180 view of the payment landscape. And I think it gave a good, deep conversation in a very entertaining way.
Coming to these kind of events, meeting a lot of competent people. I know some of them, yes, but I also meet new people. There's so much competence in the same room. That's inspiring to get also challenged, get good questions, and of course learn new stuff.